Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College. On this video we're going to talk about just comparing two time frames and the benefits and the negatives with these two time frames. If you're a new trader, you've got to have a daily chart in front of you. Now on the right hand side here I've got the daily chart of the pound Australian dollar 1 day time frame. On the left hand side here I've got the pound Aussie, same market, same currency pair, but the 2 minute time frame. Now you can see here on the daily chart I've got some orders that I'm already long this market anyway on the pound Aussie from yesterday, just over the Christmas period, and we've shot up nicely yesterday, Monday the 3rd of Jan. So you can see here on the right hand side I could go away, go and play golf, come back, and this market here, as long as I've got my stops in place, managing the risk, which is the most important thing, you know, this market is it looks like it's hardly moving. Where if you come over here on the 2 minute time frame, you can see there's a lot of noise, there's a lot of impulsive corrective moves, a lot of sideways price action, and a lot of long side trades basically. But the thing is, what I'm trying to say is that if you're somebody that's new to trading, you've never seen the markets move as quick as they have done on a 2 minute chart, and you might get faked out of these moves. You might buy the highs before it comes back down. You panic, you get stopped out of the market, and then it pushes back up in your favor. So if you're somebody that is new, try and avoid the smaller 1 minute, 2 minute charts, because if you've got any weaknesses in your trading emotions, then you're going to just keep on making lots of trades, getting your broker rich and not making yourself rich. That's not always the case, of course, because for me, the way I like to trade as well, and I've not done any of these types of trades today, but you can see here on the right, I've always got that daily time frame up there telling me where's the path of least resistance, because this is momentum. It's pushed up, it's pointing north. Pro Trend System gave us buys at 118.58, and then we've got targets here and another target here. For me, it's looking like it's curling up, it wants to go higher. So every time this market on a 2 minute or a 5 minute, whatever you want to choose, every time it gets down here deep, I want to buy it some more, get down, maybe do some momentum trigger buys here with green PTS and the storyteller as well. But my bias is long, okay? I am long, so I don't want to be really short in anything here. Even though this would have made me money, I don't really want to be short in anything, because I'm not going to make a lot of money, because the momentum on the bigger time frame is long and up. So I really want to get in my head, all I'm looking for is longs. Now if the chart was upside down and it was pointing down, then I'd be looking for short bias. So that's the thing with the time frames here, combining a couple of time frames, but making sure you've got what we call a core time frame over here on the right, and I would say for most of you guys it would probably be the daily chart. Then you can take trades based on that from a 5 or 2 minute chart if you feel as though that's the type of trading you want to do, okay? But just making sure you've got that momentum, knowing where you are. So if you take a little look at, let's have a little look at another market. Let's have a little look at crude oil here on the daily. I'm not in this market at all, but you can see that crude example has been momentum up on the daily chart, pro trend system buy, first target here, next target here, nice trend predictor up. So everything I would be doing on a 2 minute chart would be looking for just buy signals, buy green signals, not red short size signals. So I'm letting that daily time frame lead me, and now I'm stacking the odds on my side as a trader to trade with the trend and the bias. Now there comes a point where this oil market will run into a little bit of resistance like it is here, or it might be up in these areas where the pro trend system target is 78.70. That's a resistance area. Will I take a short trade? I possibly may do. I did that today on the dollar yen, where I jumped into a short side trade and made some money, but I didn't feel it was just in here because I had some Fibonacci targets right up here at 116.33, and that's this area here. I went and scalped a few pips out of that and made some money. That's fine, but normally you want to be going with these market trends until it stops. Hope it helps, guys. Look, we've got our Learn to Trade 3-day course, which is free, by the way. This is on the 11th of January. I'm going to be starting off on the 11th of January. I'm going to be doing, a bit of lifestyle trading, what markets are good to trade, what strategies to use. We're going to look at momentum strategies, what indicators work best, and the Q&A. So we're going to dive into fitting trading into your life on that first evening. Second evening, Raj here is going to go into probabilities, risk management, using historic data to back test strategies and so on, a little bit more advanced than what I'll be doing on the Monday night. And then Dan is going to be diving into the day trading stuff, the charts and the time frames, top markets and strategies to trade as well. So make sure you join us, guys. Don't miss it. It's the first one we're doing of these, and probably the last one we're going to be doing of a 3-day event. Claim your spot. Just go to our homepage, look at three free live webinars. That's be coming up for our Learn to Trade Live January the 11th. All right, hope it helps, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. It always helps, guys, us to build the channel and create more content for you. Speak to you soon. Take care.